Alright, I'm here with you today with the Vengeance 16GB RAM, and here's my MacBook Pro. If you notice, there's a piece of paper in the background. I have little circles drawn in where the MacBook Pro screws are, so it'll help me organize the screws because there are some long ones and there are some short ones, so I would recommend for you to do so, but it's totally up to you if you have a good memory or whatever. Now you're going to start unscrewing it. And this is 16GB switch out, so now you're going to go ahead and take the lid off of your MacBook Pro. You're going to notice a whole lot of components. There's the hard drive, there's the fan, and there's the RAM. It's a little blue, it's 2 slots, it's a blue RAM card. It's right in the top, yeah, right there where I just pointed. And that's what you're going to be dealing with today. And there's going to be 2 tabs on the side. I'm going to zoom in here for you guys. And yeah, there it was. And there's going to be 2 tabs. As you can kind of see, it's a little bit blurry. But there's 2 tabs right along there that you're going to pull out. And then it'll kind of help you take the RAM out. And as you can see, I am pulling on the 2 tabs, and it's really easy actually. And by the way, make sure you do not have any static electricity going through you at all, because it could mess up the components. So, and then I just finished it. So now you're gonna open up your Vengeance package. It's this model happens to be compatible with Core Intel i5 and i7, so if that to see this, you have to go up to your Apple symbol in the top left corner of your Mac and click About This Mac, and it'll show you your like what your Mac is and everything. So mine is an i5, so it is compatible with this, and if it has anything, like if it has an i5 or i7, this one will work for you, or this type will work for you. If you have below that like a Core Duo, that won't work. Yeah. Now you're gonna take the RAM, and I'll give you some advice. Go in at more of an angle, and because the more of an angle, it'll be easier for you to put it in. Do not try to go straight in. So I tried to do a little bit. Just go at an angle, like a bigger angle than you'd actually think, because I don't know, it just is how you put it in. And then you use the 2 tabs to assist you in doing so. And yeah. Now once you have finished putting in the first one, here comes the second one. You're going to use the same technique as the first one. You're just going to use the 2 tabs. Sorry, my camera angle is really bad. So, but just remember, you just use the 2 tabs to get it in. And yeah, and that should help you out. And remember, going at a really big angle, bigger than actually you'd think, because that is how they designed it. So yeah. Now you're gonna put on the screws the same way you took them out, and yeah. So now you're gonna, as you boot up your computer, it'll take a while. But then you're gonna click About This Mac, and you're gonna see that you have 16 gigabytes of RAM installed. So, and there it is. It'll have 2 slots. One slot is 8 gigabyte, the other slot is 8 gigabyte in your memory. Please rate, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and please hit the like button if you really enjoyed this video or learned something new, and see ya.